In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT safely. 2026 full guide. First, let's clear up what's changed with the model lineup and why it matters for you. Some older models like GPT-4, GPT-4o, and GPT-4.1 have been retired and are no longer available within the standard ChatGPT interface. That means tutorials promising ways to unlock those specific versions are now outdated. Instead, the free tier provides limited access to newer models, such as GPT 5.2, so you can still get powerful results without hunting for workarounds. The big takeaway is to focus on what's officially available today, rather than chasing old hacks that no longer apply. Getting started is simple and secure. There's no trick or bypass required to use the latest AI for free. Just head to the official ChatGPT website, sign in, or create a free account. Once you're logged in, you can begin chatting immediately on the current free plan. If you're new, take a moment to explore the interface, open a fresh chat, and try a quick prompt to confirm everything is working as expected. Now let's talk about usage limits. The free tier is generous, but it uses message limits within a rolling time window. Think of this like a moving quota. As you send messages, they count toward your allowance. As time passes, older messages drop out of the window and your capacity refills. If you hit the limit, you'll need to wait for that window to reset before continuing for free. A helpful habit is to batch your questions, keep prompts concise, and save important responses so you don't spend extra messages recreating work. Depending on current capacity, you may also see access to GPTs and certain advanced tools, but availability can vary. Choosing between free and paid comes down to your workflow. The free tier is excellent for writing, brainstorming, learning new topics, and everyday tasks at no cost. If you rely on ChatGPT throughout the day, want steadier access during busy periods, or need higher usage limits, a paid plan like ChatGPT Plus is worth considering. It's less about raw power and more about consistency and headroom when you need it. To wrap up, stick to the official sign-in process, avoid third-party bypasses, and keep an eye on your message frequency so you aren't interrupted mid-task. Navigating the latest AI updates is simple when you follow the official paths provided by OpenAI. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.